Splunk Core Certified Power User SPLK-1002 exam dumps are the best material for you to study all the related topics. Share some Splunk certification SPLK-1002 exam dumps questions here. 1. A user wants to convert numeric field values to strings and also to sort on those values. Which command should be used first, the eval or the sort? A. It doesn't matter whether eval or sort is used first. B. Convert the numeric to a string with eval first, then sort. C. Use sort first, then convert the numeric to a string with eval. D. You cannot use the sort command and the eval command on the same field. 2. Which of the following statements describe data model acceleration? Select all that apply. A. Root events cannot be accelerated. B. Accelerated data models cannot be edited. C. Private data models cannot be accelerated. D. You must have administrative permissions or the accelerate_DACA model capability to accelerate a data model. 3. What does the Splunk Common Information Model (CIM) add-on include? Select all that apply. A. Custom visualizations. B. Pre-configured data models. C. Fields and event category tags. D. Automatic data model acceleration. 4. In what order are the following knowledge objects, configurations applied? A. Field aliases, field extractions, lookups. B. Field extractions, field aliases, lookups. C. Field extractions, lookups, field aliases. D. Lookups, field aliases, field extractions. 5. Which of the following statements about event types is true? Select all that apply. A. Event types can be tagged. B. Event types must include a time range. C. Event types categorize events based on a search. D. Event types can be a useful method for capturing and sharing knowledge. 6. What are the two parts of a root event dataset? A. Fields and variables. B. Fields and attributes. C. Constraints and fields. D. Constraints and lookups. 7. Which of the following statements describes field aliases? A. Field alias names replace the original field name. B. Field aliases can be used in lookup file definitions. C. Field aliases only normalize data across sources and source types. D. Field alias names are not case-sensitive when used as part of a search. 8. Which of the following statements describes macros? A. A macro is a reusable search string that must contain the full search. B. A macro is a reusable search string that must have a fixed time range. C. A macro is a reusable search string that may have a flexible time range. D. A macro is a reusable search string that must contain only a portion of the search. 9. Which of the following statements about macros is true? Select all that apply. A. Arguments are defined at execution time. B. Arguments are defined when the macro is created. C. Argument values are used to resolve the search string at execution time. D. Argument values are used to resolve the search string when the macro is created. 10. When should you use the transaction command instead of the scats command? A. When you need to group on multiple values. B. When duration is irrelevant in search results. C. When you have over 1,000 events in a transaction. D. When you need to group based on start and end constraints.